Today, we're going to be talking about how to sell a dollar trial to a tool using AI video. And I'm going to show you how to get started today doing this. You can see we have 107 orders week to date, and those are all for a dollar trial that turn into a $97 per month subscription. So if I multiply 107 times 97, that's $10,379 reoccurring monthly that we're going to be able to generate with this system. And we're already doing it. Okay. So I'm going to show you how to do this for yourself. I'm going to show you how you can create content on autopilot. And I'm going to give you a free step-by-step checklist as well that I've been putting together that allows you to go through each and every step that you need to take in order to do this. And I will be giving that to you at the end of this video. So make sure you stick around. Now, before we dive into it, if you're interested in me giving you all of the best ways that I'm using AI to earn money on autopilot right now, just reply with the word yes in the comments right now. It makes it easy for me to know what to create content on for you if you're interested in it. You can see also on Stripe here, $2,380. And yesterday, $2,700 with a $22,000 estimated future payout. And I'm going to show you again how you can do this, even if you're a complete beginner, even if you've never used AI before, even if you don't even know how to earn money with AI yet. I'm going to show you exactly what you got to do. Okay. Now, before we get into it though, again, make sure you reply with the word yes. And also make sure you join our free group. We have a couple free groups. We have a Facebook group and a Discord server that you can join. I'll leave links to those in the chat so that you can interact with our other members, ask questions, and get help. One of the best things you can do to start earning money with AI is to get in a group full of other people that are also trying to do the same thing. So again, I will leave links to this. I also will update you in here whenever I go live and whenever I'm doing anything. You'll see it first inside of these groups, okay? All right, so let's talk about step one, which is you're going to need an affiliate link. So what we're going to be using is, again, this tool called ShineRanker here. We're going to enter in our information, and this is going to take us to a video sales letter, or VSL for short. Now, this is where a lot of people will actually be watching the video that we're making right now, the one that you're watching. It will be on this page, and below this, there are two buttons. One is for the free checklist that gives you step-by-step tutorials showing you everything that you need to do to get started. Again, this is a free checklist. You can get started with it right now. Or you're going to go and get the $1 trial, right? But this is what you're going to actually be selling. So this dollar trial gives you access to our tool, ShineRanker, which will actually help you automate your traffic with content, okay? So we have some really cool AI video tools in here. I'll show you them in a second. But the way you would actually get a link for ShineRanker for the dollar trial that you can actually go and sell is you would type /partner at the end of this website URL, and then you'll just sign up to become a partner. So you just enter in your info, affiliate ID, whatever you want to call it, click on create, and you'll get your link. Now, you're going to need to connect a PayPal account just so that you can get paid out. The way you would do that is click on products, view, and then you would connect your affiliate link by connecting to PayPal. And you're going to get a few different options. If you want to promote the homepage for ShineRanker, I'll show you what it looks like. Let me just pull up an account here of what this is going to look like on the back end. But you'll be able to get a link that looks like this, and it says homepage, okay? So this will be your affiliate ID. This will be the page that you'll be promoting. So whenever you send somebody to this link, if I copy and paste this into the browser, it'll send to our homepage. But when they go and enter their information to get the dollar trial and they go watch this video, you'll get credited when they sign up for the dollar trial. So all you have to do is just send people to your homepage link here, right? Now, the question is, how do you get people to click on this homepage link? So there's a lot of different ways that you can actually build traffic with ShineRanker. ShineRanker is an awesome tool that helps you find viral topics. It allows you to use ChatGPT to create scripts. It allows you to create AI edited video with long form content. It also allows you to go and generate your own video. So there's a lot in there. And again, I'm going to just show you the basics to it. If you want to watch the full step-by-step system, I would go to the checklist so you can go start walking through step-by-step what you need to do to get rolling. But ideally, once you have your affiliate link, right? We just grabbed it right here. All we need to do to start getting a dollar sale, start getting credited, is to start getting people to click on this and watch the video that we're making right now and then go and sign up for the dollar trial. So how are we going to do that? Well, one way is we could just send them directly to the link, right? We could send a message to somebody and say, hey, go click on this link, check out this tool that helps you generate AI content. Another way, and this is what I always try to tell people, which is copy what I do, not what I say, okay? So there's people right now that are replicating this system that have tens of thousands of followers, and all they're doing is they're just taking my content and they're reposting it, okay? So some of these people on Facebook will just take AI Toolbox as one of them. Every single post I make, any sort of short form content, any sort of like text content, whatever I post, look at this, 135 comments here. And these are all people that are interested in more information. And now AI Toolbox can go and respond to these comments with a link to what? To the dollar trial, okay? And so all you have to do, if you want the easiest way to get started, is literally just repost my viral content. And inside the checklist, I show you how to do this. But if you want to do the content yourself, you want to use AI generated content, you could use ShineRanker. Now, ShineRanker is really cool because what you can do is you can start finding lists of websites that you can actually go and download that list and upload it into our video generator tool, okay? And you can have automatically made videos like this. Let me actually just play one of these so you can hear it.
Thesia. Explore advanced AI technology designed to enhance videos, images, and productivity. The second website is Canva Design and Create Online. Canva is an effortless AI-powered design platform that enables the creation of stunning images. The third website is Google Cloud.
So you can see that we actually had a little error there. There's still a few small bugs in the tool, but these videos actually get a ton of reach. And you might get a couple of these that are duds, but out of like 5, you can generate 5 at a time just by going up to here, clicking on generate 5 videos, choosing your pre-made voice, and then selecting the list of websites that you want to create videos for. And you'll get a couple of these that are actually very good. And these videos, when we post them on social media, by the way, all AI generated, we're actually able to get a crazy amount of views for these videos. In fact, this one got 16,000 views, and it's with this AI generated content. This is another video here that's AI generated, 38,000 views. And so you can get a crazy amount of views with AI generated content using ShineRanker, okay? There's also another feature inside ShineRanker that allows you to input a long form video like the one you're watching right now, and it'll actually render you out short form clips so you can post these on social media. And the best part about this system, by the way, is I'm doing a lot of this work for you, right? I'm building the tools, I'm building the content, the funnel. When you send them to your affiliate link for the funnel, I do all the email follow-up. I do multiple videos like this a month. I do live streams. I do all kinds of stuff so that when somebody goes and signs up to learn more, I'm on there hammering these people to buy the dollar trial so that you'll get credited. Okay. Now you might be wondering, well, what is the percentage that I get for the trial? It's 30% reoccurring. Okay. So if you get $10,000 worth of sales, you're going to get $3,000 a month reoccurring subscriptions. You don't have to handle the support. You don't really have to do any of the marketing besides just pushing people to this link. You don't have to do any of the sales. You don't have to pay for developers. You can just send people to this homepage and I'll go and close them for you. Okay. And there's plenty of people right now that are promoting this system that are earning thousands and thousands of dollars just by me basically running all of their marketing for them and them promoting these links. So, what we can also do, by the way, if you're not familiar with the ShineRanker tool yet and you haven't gone through the free checklist, which you should definitely go through it. If you're on the video sales page right now, make sure you go pick up the checklist and start going through the free videos because this will really get you familiar with the tool and the process. But what we have set up for you is a way to actually go and automate this content even further, okay? So what I can do is I can click on download here, and I can actually import this spreadsheet into another tool called Radar. And Radar will actually allow me to schedule hundreds of posts on social media every single month. And I can put as many social media accounts as I want into here. So if I go to Radar, I click on connect. Look at this. There's Facebook pages, Facebook groups, Instagram business, TikTok, Twitter, all kinds of different things. And once I connect a few profiles, and we're doing this, by the way, with tons of different pages. Check this out. Look how many pages we have here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You can do this with like a ton of different pages. And check this out. Like all of these posts are scheduled out. And we can also import inside that checklist. I show you how to import all of my content that I've been making over the last few years into your account immediately. So you can start posting on places like Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, whatever you want. And you can start collecting the leads and sending people to these trial links. Now look at this. We got people in here, you know, $8,000 earned, $9,000 earned, $21,000 earned, $23,000 earned, $8,000, $8,000, $6,000, $5,000. So there's lots of people that are promoting these products and earning money on autopilot because a lot of this work has already been done, okay? So again, if you haven't got into the free checklist and you're still confused about how all of this works, make sure you go click on the grab the free checklist and start. Oh, I gotta fix that pop-up there. Click on the grab the free checklist. You're gonna go into the checklist and you're just gonna start watching the different videos. I show you how to get your first sale. I show you how to use ShineRanker. I give you a walkthrough on that. I show you how to use the web scraper tools, the video generator tools, how to start posting, what platforms to post on, how to repurpose content, how to bulk automate content, and I'm still adding more and more in here, okay? So make sure you go check out the checklist. I can't wait to see you in there, and make sure you comment on the first video because in the first video, I basically ask you to comment and I like to see that you're taking action. So we'll see you inside the checklist. Until we do, happy money making. See you next time. Bye.